Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate a 3D mock-up of this candle packaging template that I had done in my previous videos as well. So just in case if you have missed and you haven't seen how this template is made, I highly recommend that you go back to the packaging template section, watch those videos first, and then open up the same template that I had created. So what I'm gonna do here is that, as you can see, that I've already created this and I've already opened up my template. So I'm just gonna for now unlock everything, right? So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm just going to make copies first of the sides that I want to showcase, right? So first one being obviously like the first front side of my document, of my template is this one right here. So I'm just gonna select everything by clicking on to shift like that, or probably just select everything. Okay, so I'm going to click on Alt to make a copy and then just drag my mouse right over here. So I've got this. I'm going to group this together like this, so that becomes into one single shape. Similarly, I'm just going to select these as well, this side one as well. So which says the ingredients or the materials that have been used to make this candle, like that. I'm going to zoom out as well. I'm going to click on Alt to make a copy and bring it right over here like that. And for now, let's see what else. Okay, I've got the side, I've got the front. I'm gonna let the back one be the way it is because it's the same. So it's the same as my front side. Yeah, I have to also like group them together first, like that. I'm gonna select this one as well for my side view, and like that. I'm going to click on Alt to make a copy and bring it right here and group them together as well. And I'm just going to make a copy of this one as well, which states which has all the warning sign, like that warning note that usually packaging has, right? So I'm just going to make a copy out of this as a backup in case if I decide to showcase this one as well. Wait, I just have to select everything. Wait, I'm just going to zoom in, out, like that. I'm going to click on Alt to make a copy and bring it right over here and make a group as well. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add all these shapes over here to the symbols panels right here. So in case if you're unable to see this symbol panel, you can activate it by going to this Windows panel right here and coming down here and you'll see the symbols panel over here, like this one right here. Just click on that, you'll get the window and you can just drag it over here onto the side as well. Okay, so I'm going to open this and I'm just going to drag my symbols right here. I let the export type be the way it is, and this was the side view. So I'm just gonna type in, or just gonna add the materials used. Okay, this was the front This was the front side. This one, wait, which one was this? Yeah, this one was the side view. And this one again. I'm just gonna type out side 2 probably like that. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead, delete these now. So I'm just gonna select this outer box, click on Alt to make a copy, and then just drag it right here. I'm gonna make 4 copies out of this as a backup, right? Like that. I'm gonna select my template. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that for now. You'll see that in a moment why. So I'll select this first one and I'm gonna make it a 3D object first. Or probably I'll just select, yeah, I'm just gonna start with one first. I'll go to this effect panel, and in this Illustrator effects, I'll see this 3D option which says extrude and bevel. Gonna go ahead and select that, and then I'm just going to give it a custom rotation as to which side I want my cube to look like. And once that's done, I'm gonna give the extrude depth to 550 points, or probably just increase this to 650. Wait, yeah. And if I click on preview, I see it like this. Right. But what I'm gonna do is that I do not really require the stroke. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that. And yeah, coming back to extrude and bevel, gonna give the extrude depth to 650 points, and if I click on preview, yep, that looks a lot better. Just gonna see it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and increase that to 850 and then see. Yeah, it looks a lot better. And I'm gonna go to map art now. And over here on the front side, I'm gonna give the front side option like that. If I click on preview, this will take a couple of moments. Please bear with me till then. Okay, so once that's done, you can also check out the other views as well. And let's see if I can get into 5. Okay, once I get this, so I'll see if I can fit the side view as well. So this will take a little time, rendering artwork. Yeah, so this is what happens because if there's a lot of artwork, it does get fitted, or probably I'm just going to change it like this to see. It did happen, but it's showing a different view. Let's see. This is gonna take a while, so okay, so now that's sorted. I'm gonna go ahead and click on OK. And OK. So we've got one. So I'm just gonna select this and then just bring it to the side like that. So we've got our first one. So I'm just gonna select this, go ahead, go to Object and click on Expand Appearance. And select this, ungroup this, and ungroup this again. I'm just gonna fill this top one to white to match it with the background. Wait, I'm gonna select this and probably also just scale this a little, bring it to my document right here, like this. Probably just shift this a little. Oops, not like that. Probably like this, and also just scale this down a little bit more and bring it right here. Okay, so I'm just going to give the stroke to be black so that you can see, and stroke weight has to be 1. Okay, I do not wait. It's gonna change a little, and I'm gonna select, let's see, this one. Gonna give a black shade like that. Okay, so I'm gonna let it be the way it is now. And now coming back over here, I'll select one of them and repeat the same process. So I'll go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. I'm gonna keep it like this. The extrude depth was around 850 points. And of course, I do not, wait, before I forget, I do not require the stroke. Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. If I click on Preview, yeah, it has to be 850 points. Like that. I'm just going to change the angle up a bit. And go to Map Art now. And over here on the front side, again, I'll be now adding, let's see, this one, the materials used. Click on Preview. So this takes a little time. Okay, so now we've got this. And now I'll have to see the sides. Yep, this side, and I'm going to add the side 2 panel as well, like that. That's rendering artwork. Gonna take a few minutes like that. Probably also just change the angle now after it's done rendering the artwork. So you're gonna wait for a couple of minutes till this happens. Okay, so I'm just going to change the angle like this, so like the mandala is facing upwards, and let's see if that happens. Rendering artwork like that. Yeah, it's a little time taking, but we're almost done. Yeah, okay, so we've got this, and I'm going to go ahead and click on OK as well, and OK. Yeah, so now I do not really need these two. I had them as a backup. I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to select this, go to Object and click on Expand Appearance, and I'm going to ungroup these twice like this. I'm going to select this, I'm going to give the stroke to be black, and I'm going to change the fill to be white like this. Select this, and by clicking on Shift and Alt, I'm going to scale this down a little and bring it right here onto my document like that. So we've got our a 3D mock-up. And now you can make out that this is the front side, and on the front side is the back side, like that. Or probably like you can make out that this comes on the side like this. So you've got all the important information as well. And I'm going to go ahead and now save our file. I'll be clicking on save as. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, which is candle packaging template. I'm just going to rename this to 3D mockup candle packaging template. The save as type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file. I'm going to go ahead and click on save and click on OK. There you go. We have now successfully made our template and also saved it as an AI file. So we've saved it, but the progress is a little slow. I'm sorry. I really apologize for that because it's heavy, so it'll take a couple of minutes, but yes, it's saved and it takes a few seconds for it to get in progress like that. Sitting as an Adobe Illustrator file. And there you go. That's it. Now that we have come to the end of our video, I wanted to thank you for being patient enough and surviving this alongside with me. I know this takes a little time because making 3D mockups is a little time consuming, and you have to be extremely patient in making such type of products. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.